What is going on, everybody? This is Litchi, and today we're going to be doing a head-to-head battle on Shining Fates and Battle Styles. We're going to be seeing which side gets better pulls. So comment down below, guys, which side do you guys think am I going to be able to pull from better? Shining Fates? Battle Styles? So let's get started, and we'll do one pack from each side first. So we'll start out with Battle Styles. Last week, did not pull great. It was a horrible opening, so here's the hoping that we can get a better pulls from this time. And start with pack number 1. I mean, I'm thinking maybe Shining Fates might get better pulls, but we'll find out. Lightning Energy, Single Strike Scroll of Scorn, Bisharp, Single Strike Energy, Onyx, Spearow, Sizzlipede, Sphinx, Cacnea, Primeape, and a Octillery. Okay, so far better than last week's, where it was a non-hollow for all the packs, except the last pack. We got a Necrozma, and then when I did the other 5 packs, we got another Necrozma. So let's see. So far, not bad. Still Energy, Thwackey, Floatzel, Tropius, Gossifleur, Choodle, Morpeko, Stiding, Snubble's Food, Cacnea, Horsey, and an Amazing Ray Yveltal, and a Volcanion. So far right now, Shining Fates is winning. This is the first Yveltal we pull. Very cool looking card with the swirls and all the different colors, so very nice. Next up, Battle Styles. And at the end of the video, we're going to be opening some Pokemon McDonald's packs and also the cereal box packs. I was able to acquire some cereal boxes, so we'll see if we can pull something from those. I don't know what we can pull from that, so we'll find out. Cacturn, Doublade, Crawdont, Glameow, Sizzlipede, Onyx, Chimeco, Roly-Coly, Bisharp, and then others non-hollow rare set of scores. So far right now, Shining Fates is winning. Okay, here we go. Maybe another Amazing Rare. Fighting Energy, Rusted Shield, Dartrix, Eldegoss, Sphinx, Horsey, Yanma, Morpeko, Stiding, Snubble's Food, Coffin, Volcanion, and then Professor's Research. So far it's still Shining Fates is up. Battle Styles, not so much. Here we go. Dark Energy, Durant, Camping Gear, Honchkrow, Cherubi, Horsey, Legiton running across the beach, Electabuzz, Esper, another Bisharp, and a Phalanx. Wow. There's going to be a one-sider where Shining Fates win? Remember last time we pulled Shining Fates, we pulled a lot of shiny Pokemon. Can we get the same luck this time? Lightning Energy, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Dartrix, Trapinch looking in the stars, Nickit, Weasel, Sphinx, Coffin, and a shiny Barraskewda, and a Zarude. So far, Shining Fates, Dose, Battle Styles, nada. This is the pack that redeems Battle Styles. I hope so. Battle Styles really needs something good to pull. Single strike style Mustard, Golbat, Bruno, Cherubi, Mindfo, Silly Cobra, the Galarian Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, Energy Recycler, and there we go. Single strike Urshifu V. I think the other one is the Rapid Strike. This is something better than last week. So far, it's 2-1, 2-1. Let's see, next pack 4, Shining Fates. Luxio, Gym Trainer, Team Yell Tao, Gossiflor, Cacnea, Choodle, Eevee, Nickit, Koffin, and then Rillaboom. Battle Styles next. Four cards. Lightning Energy, Spoopa, Single Strike Style Mustard, Golbat, Galarian Slowpoke, Yamper, Murkrow, Bellsprout, Saladin, Gligar. Yes, and a Rapid Strike Urshifu V. So we pulled the Single Strike and a Rapid Strike. So now that is Shining Fates Dose. Battle Styles Dose. Taking a look at it. Alright. Battle Styles is coming back. Can it take over? Can it take the lead if Shining Fates doesn't get anything good? But if I don't pull anything good in this pack? Dark Energy, Creepy Ball Guy, Team Yell Tao, Rusted Shield, Trapinch Staring at the Stars, Rowlet, Choodle, Morpeko Happy for Food, Koffin, Rillaboom, and a Manaphy. Alright. Next up, Battle Styles. And they take the lead. Shining Fates blew it in this pack. And Battle Styles take the lead now. Fighting Energy, Fearow, Carnivine, Escape Rope, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Horsey playing with the water, Mawile, and a Stonjourner. Well, so far still Dose or Dose. Now the ball's in Shining Fates court, and they take the lead. Water Energy, Floatzel, Luxio, Rusted Sword, Horsey, Snom, Morpeko, stealing Snubble's food. So good job, Cacnea, Choodle, Eevee, and a Dreadnought. Back to Battle Styles. Four cards. Fire Energy, Camping Gear, Honchkrow, Heatmore, Cherubi, Mindfo, Silly Cobra, Galarian Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, Centiskorch, and a Vivillon. Alright. Still tied. Already been 2 packs, so neither pack has pulled anything. Let's see. Fighting Energy, Rusted Shield, Team Yell Tao, Eldegoss, Choodle, Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, Sphinx, and a Rillaboom Shiny. Alright. And a Boss's Orders. Now Shining Faces take the lead, 3-2. Can Battle Styles tie it up right now? Steel Energy, Seadra, Rapid Strike Scroll of Swirls, Cacturn, Galarian Mr. Mime, Fomantis, Spearow, then Knitted Zubat, Cubone, Carnivine, Claydol. So far, no tying in this round. Shining Fates take a 4-2 lead. Lightning Energy, Thwackey, Floatzel, Tropius, Morpeko, Koffin, Gossifleur, Rowlet, Cufant, Gym Trainer, and a full art Skyla. Now, Shining Fates 4-2. Very nice full art. Alright, Battle Styles. Down 2. Only a few packs left in this side. Steel Energy, Level Ball, Morpeko, Tool Jammer, Yamper, Glameow, Corphish, Scatterbug, Cubone, Slowpoke, and a AG Slash. Alright. So we're still 4-2. This Battle Styles can pull that that Tyranitar V full art. They can probably take it. Leaf Energy, Luxio, Creepy Ball Guy, Tropius, Nickit, Rowlet, Trapinch Staring at the Stars, Weasel, Koffin, Phalanx V, Shiny, and a Manaphy. Well, that's a 5-2 lead with the Phalanx Shiny. Phalanx V Shiny. So, Battle Styles is to come up with something. Leaf Energy, Seadra, Girder, Urn of Vitality, Spoink, Gligar, Sphinx, Houndour, Poniard, Conkeldurr, Colossal. Oh. Looks like Shining Fates might take it. Maybe you can even pull the gold Houndoom from Battle Styles. Dark Energy, Gym Trainer, Luxio, Dartrix, Spinnerack, Snom, Horsey, Rowlet, Morpeko, Thievul, and Diddy. Okay, here we go. Leaf Energy, Fearow, Escape Rope, the weird Grumpig picture or artwork, Quillish, Esper, Blipbug, Silly Cobra, Lickitung running across, Evil Morpeko, and a Conkeldurr. I think I may be missing a pack from Battle Styles. I'll get one right there. Fire Energy, Eldegoss, Tropius, Luxio, Eevee, Weasel, Yanma, Trapinch Staring at the Stars, Nickit. Wow, Rillaboom V, Shiny. I think we pulled one last time, not too sure. And a Frostmoth. Oh, looks like Shiny Fate's gonna be taking this. Let me get another Battle Styles pack, so it's even. I might have kind of wrong. Alright, Sword and Shield. And you come, at least do a comeback. Honchcrow, Heatmore, Baltoy, Gligar, Saladin, Bronzor, Cacnea, Bronzong, and 8 Electivire. Non-holo rare. There we go. And let's see. Psychic Energy, Creepy Ball Guy, Tropius, Rusted Shield, Cacnea, Cufant, Eevee, Buizel, Yanma, Shiny Bunnelby, and a Professor's Research. Taking a look at the Bunnelby. Shiny. Alright. Tyranitar V, Full Art, Alternate Art. A Houndoom Gold. Something to bring back Battle Styles back. Fire Energy, Escape Rope, Creepy Grumpig Picture, Luxio, Rolycoly, Chimeco, Onyx, Sizzlipede, Glameow, Phoebe. Oh, take this. Rapid Strike Urshifu VMAX. Oh, at least it came back. And the last Shiny Fates pack. And then we got the Pokemon. McDonald's and cereal one to open. At this point, it looks like Shiny Fates is the winner. Water Energy, Creepy Ball Guy, Tropius, Rusted Shield, Grookey, Eevee, Morpeko Sitting Snuggle Food, Choodle, Nickit, Buizel, and Azarude. Let's go over what we pulled. Bunnelby, Rillaboom V, Phalanx V, Skylaflor, Rillaboom Shiny, Barraskewda Shiny, Yveltal Amazing Rare, and we pulled the Rapid Strike, VMAX Urshifu, the V, and then Single Strike Urshifu. At least this time Battle Styles didn't disappoint like last week. Alright, let's open these Pokemon packs and see if we can pull another Pikachu. I mean, at this point, I already pulled the Pikachu. I just want to see if I can pull a Trico or a Torchic. Froakie, Chespin, Scorbunny, and yes, we can. The Trico has been pulled. Very nice. Torchic in here? Alright, it's another Pikachu. Wow, look. Speak it. But it's the non-holo Pikachu, Squirtle, Rowlet, Bulbasaur. Alright. I was missing the Bulbasaur. I think I'm missing Squirtle for the starter because I already have Charmander, and then that's Bulbasaur. So Trico, Chespin, Oshawott, and the Scorbunny. Alright, and here are the 3 packs from the cereal boxes. I don't know the cartridge this. So let's just use this first one and then we'll find the... Oh! We pulled the Pikachu. on the first pack. And then a Galarian Farfetch'd and a Snom. So the bottom first card is going to be the holo, but to pull the Pikachu, gladly take it. Okay, so now we know that that card, where the holo is. I don't know the list of what cards come holo. I mean, I know the only one I knew was a Pikachu. Another Galarian Farfetch'd. Galarian Zigzagoon and a... Yes! Another Pikachu. That's back to back. Oh. Back to back Pikachus. Took me a while to pull the McDonald's Pikachu. And the cereal one. Pulled it like nothing. Alright, let's see what we can pull in this last pack. Oh, this is another Pikachu. Luckiest packs. Amazing packs. No. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we get. Galarian Meowth. Galarian Farfetch'd. And a... Oh! We'll gladly take this. 3 Pikachus back to back to back. Wow. And then last week we pulled the Pikachu from the McDonald's, so... Wow. Speechless right now. 3 Pikachus. Well, guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Comment who do you guys thought was going to win between the Battle Styles and Shining Fates. Don't forget to subscribe. Really appreciate it, guys. And well, guys, catch you guys in the next video.